My name's Beau Watson. I've been washing cars for 22 years now. Came from a full service background. I'm now run a flex. So I have 3 express and flex washes in Central Texas. They're all about 100-foot tunnels. We run full service out of one of them, that's my background. And currently we are the first wash in Texas to use Synergy. Since the day we took over, there was no other choice, to be honest with you. So we took over our first 2 sites in January, and Jeff got called the moment we signed the contract and said, hey, we're gonna need to run out some stuff that we're gonna get with it, but you need to go ahead and set up your stuff immediately at one of the sites. Because I trust Jeff. Jeff Hyatt has been a longtime friend. I think we've known each other for 14 or something years now. And so if he trusts the brand, I did, right? And so there was no, we had to try it out to see if it worked. There was no, you have to give samples for a month. I was just let's go. Let me order and let's do it, right? And it's turned out to be a good decision. Honestly, I've been using I love their Aqua Dry. Their Aqua Dry, not only is it economically priced, but crushes. My cars come out sparkling dry. We don't have the best blower set up, right? Us acquiring our sites, use blowers, Lord knows how old ours are, but it's still Synergy is getting it done for me. I was at a site this morning as we ran the test car, and I looked over at one of my managers and I said, we're putting out a really good car for this old ass equipment. We're putting out a really good car. And I think Synergy, and if you want to go with the Aqua Dry, right, that's a huge portion of that. I couldn't do it without them. And we've tried a few different ones. We've landed on Wipeout. We like it. For an operator though, I will tell you, it gives a different look when it applies to the car, right? Those that are looking at their traditional soaps that are very sticky, right? When they apply to the car, it's very sticky, almost shaving cream. The polymers and all this stuff make it a slicker surface, and it just doesn't stick to the car like you would normally see, right? This stuff is melting off. If I need something, they're there. Jeff's come down all the way to Texas, right? They're not even anywhere near here. I'm the only one, and he's made the trek here a few times to tweak in some stuff. And as we got and acquired our 3rd site, he was right there for us, right? The moment I needed him. So yeah, absolutely. They're totally easy. That's not a problem at all. Oh, well, we're going to build out Texas, right? I know that. We're going to start building out. They were primarily Northeast. Other people need to know what they're doing. Some of these other chemistry manufacturers are good, but maybe they're not great. And if you haven't tried Synergy, that's a problem. And a lot of the Southeast hasn't touched it, doesn't even know about it. I tell people that I've got Synergy, and what is that? Our regulars that are buying our base package have noticed a difference. We're talking 78-year-old lady will approach me and say, are you doing something different, honey? Yeah, we changed the chemistry the moment we took over.